if you want to remove objects from photos on the Redmi A7 Pro, then in that case what you can do is you can try to use the Photos app by Google. It has the option to remove things from our photos, so you can pick a photo, then you go to edit, then over here we have the actions option, and you can use the magic eraser in here. And then after a short time you should be able to select the area that you want to remove from the photo, and then hopefully it's going to work for you, because in my case unfortunately it doesn't work. It's just stuck in this infinite loading, so unfortunately I don't have the result. So if you cannot use that as well, if it doesn't work for you as well, what you can do is you can go to the Play Store. Then over here we're gonna use the search option, and we can search for third-party app that allows us to remove objects from photos. So for example, we can use the Snapseed app. You can just simply type remove objects or something like that, or magic eraser, and you might be able to find other apps, but in this case I'm gonna use this one because it's made by Google, it's free, it doesn't have any ads, and it's quite simple to use. So let's download and install the app over here. Once you have it installed, you want to open it. Over here we're gonna tap on get started, then we can choose add a photo over here, grant the access to your photos. Let me actually just choose everything. Let's tap again and let's allow everything. There we go. Now we can choose the photo that we want to edit. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one. There we go. And then what you can do in here is you can choose the healing option. Now once you select healing, you can just cover the whole area that you want to remove. Wait a couple of seconds. And there we go, now it is gone. If there is something left after removing the subject, you can of course try to fix it by just selecting the area once again. If you are satisfied with the results, you can, you can tap on this check in the bottom right corner. Then we should be able to export, and then we can just save a copy in order to keep the original photo, of course. And there we go, photo is saved, so we should be able to, for example, find it in the gallery. And there we go, here it is. Leave a like and subscribe.